What happens when comedians compete, not with jokes, but with their most outrageous sneezes? In a forgotten corner of comedy history, a town hosted the Great Sneeze-Off Showdown, where laughter turned into hilarity. Contestants were armed with ridiculous props, like feather dusters and pepper, all to achieve the loudest, most absurd sneeze imaginable. As the sneezes echoed through the hall, chaos ensued, sending audience members into fits of laughter, and even triggering a few more sneezes. The day culminated in a finale that left everyone gasping for breath, proving that sometimes the silliest things bring the loudest laughs.